In this video, I will show you how you can find downloaded files on any iPad. Now, to do that, first of all, just open the Files app on your iPad, then just tap on this icon over here. Now, after you enter into this section, now from this side, just select Downloads. And over here, you will find all your downloaded files on your iPad. Now, if you want to find the files which you have downloaded from Google Chrome, then just go to your home screen and open Google Chrome. After that, just tap on the three dots over here. And from this sliding menu, just slide to the left side and select Downloads. And over here, you will find all the files which you have downloaded from Google Chrome. Now, if you have downloaded any file from the Safari web browser, but if you cannot find it from the Files app, then just go to Settings. And under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Safari app. After that, just tap on it. Now just scroll down and look for the option for downloads. Now on this page, if iCloud Drive has been selected, all the data which you download from the Safari web browser will be saved into your iCloud account. And if you want to save the data to your iPad, just select on my iPad instead, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.